Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change default search engine in Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, then click Settings in the drop down menu. Under Opera GX Settings, select Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to this one search engine section. Within this you will find search engine used in the address bar. Click on this one drop down menu and here you can choose Google, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Amazon, Bing or Wikipedia as your default search engine in Opera GX browser.